Thank you for joining our class today. And we have a question on the board, and the question is on circle theorem or circle geometry, as the case may be. Now the question says, find the letter angle in the figure below. We have letter E, and we have G, we have H, and we have A. We have to find this angle following rules and following procedures or rules that can help us, or the actual rules guiding circle geometry to find these unknown angles. Now let us look at how to find it. Let us go. At first, we want to look at how to find E, because we must have a starting point in any question you want to tackle. It's just like having more problems. You look for the easier ones to tackle from, then the easier ones you get all your problems solved. Now to find E plus 134 equals 180. Now why are they equal? Because they are on a straight line. An angle on a straight line is what? Is equal to 180. A straight line angle equals 180, or sometimes we call it supplementary angles. When two angles add up to 180 degrees, you call the two angles supplementary angles. Now to find the value of E, when we take 100, I take 134 to the other side, and it becomes minus 134. The answer gives us 46 degrees. That means that the value of E is 46 degrees. Now we want to look at another one. Now with this E, we can find A. Now at that point now, A equals 2 times E. Now the reason why A equals 2 times E is that angle at the circumference of a circle at the center is always 2 times angle at the center of the circle. So if angle at the circumference of the circle is 46 degrees, what we have is what? 46 times 2. That gives us 92 degrees. We have found the value of A, and we found the value of E. Now let us look at how to find the value of G and H. Now remember, this is the center of the circle, and then any line that is drawn from the center of the circle to any point on the circumference is called radius. So we have radius here and we have radius here. That means that these two lines are equal in length. That makes this triangle to become an isosceles triangle. So at that point, G and H are what? Equal. Now A plus G plus H equals 180 degrees. Sum of angles of a triangle. When you add all the interior angles of the triangle, what you have is 180 degrees. Now we know that A equals 92 degrees. Remember, I said that this is an isosceles triangle. That means that G and H are equal in value. So I decided to call this G, call this H the same as G. The reason is what? G is equal to H. 92 plus 2G equals 180. So with that, we collect like terms, take the known numbers to the other side of the equality sign, so that we'll be able to find the unknown. (180) minus 92, we do the subtraction together. Now 2g equals 88. That means that g equals 88 divided by 2, which is equal to what? 44 degrees. At this point, we have g to be 44 degrees. And remember that we said that g and h are the same thing. So let us list the angles we have at that first time. Therefore, g equals h equals 44 degrees. Now from the angle, it is very, very easy to calculate this. One of the rules that must be taken into consideration is, first, the sum of angle on a straight line equals 180 degrees. Now secondly, angle subtended at the center of the circle, when multiplied by 2, will give you angle subtended at the center of that same circle. With this, the value of A is easier to get. And then following the rules of triangle, remember isosceles triangle, two angles are equal. So this and this angle, why are they equal? Because they are of the same length. They are radius of this circle. Then we can find out the angle, the value of G and H following this. At that point, E equals 46 degrees, A equals 92 degrees, G and H equals what? Each equals 44 degrees. Thank you very much. Please follow us. Thank you very much. I hope you've learned today. Have a wonderful time.